it's your girl Tanisha K, the ultimate baddie, and today I'm coming to you guys with another Amazon wig review. Okay, so today's wig is from V-Show Hair from Amazon. V-Show Hair from Amazon. It was $145. It is a 24 inch beat wave lace closure. It is a lace closure wig. The wig came in a bag like this, and inside of the package they have all of their little information, YouTube, Instagram, all of that information and stuff. It came with a wig cap and then just wig and wig care. So let's see what it's looking like. So it feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. Like, I'm loving the texture of it. I am absolutely loving the texture of this wig. It is a closure wig. Come with the, this is what the inside looks like. Clip here, clip here, clip in the middle, clip in the back. The knots are not bleached. I'm going to have to go in and bleach the knots. But she's looking pretty good, y'all. It is pre-plucked, so I don't have to do too much plucking, but I am going to bleach the knots, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So y'all give me a second. I'll be back. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back from bleaching the knots. I went ahead and put my ball cap on. I don't know why I did a ball cap because it's only a closure wig. But yeah, I did it anyways. No, don't do it. I did it anyways. So the knots did not bleach. Okay, this wig I did it twice on 40 volume, and the wig did not. The knots did not bleach. So, and it turns like a burgundy color. Like, I don't know why it did that, but that's the color that it turned, as you can see. I don't know, but we're still going to just install it. I'm about to just put her on my head. I'm just about to put her on my head. Oh, let me see. Okay, her looking cute or whatever. Her looking nice. I cut the back lace off, so now I'm just going to use the eyebrow archer to cut the front lace, the front part of the lace. So I'm also going to just add some makeup to the lace to kind of help it, since the bleach, the knots didn't bleach and it turned some kind of maroonish color. Just adding some makeup to it to kind of help. I'm also going to, no, I couldn't actually see the wig because of the curtain, but this is her. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to, whew, I don't like it. I don't like the outside out. All right, so I've been using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It is just like the Got to Be spray, but you know, the Got to Be gel also, but this has a really great hold. Okay, this has a really great hold. The hold is phenomenal. Like, this works. Okay, so this is the liquid hold, the Bold Hold Liquid Gold from the Hair Diagram on Instagram. I think she has a YouTube and everything. But yeah, I like this product. So we're just going to go ahead and install using this. Just, you know, line. I just go ahead and put a line of it. You know, just like how you would do the dry it. You really don't need but one application, so I'm only putting one on there. I'm only putting one application on there. I feel like I put this too down on my forehead, y'all. Ooh, gotta back it up. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to back it up. I feel like it was too on my forehead. My bad, y'all. You know, like, when you home alone and you hear a sound, it's like, what the fuck is that? Like, what the fuck is that? Oh, cut this. What? Y'all, what is that? Whatever is that? Okay, y'all. Okay. So, I'm definitely gonna go with a side part because that's just my ish. I love side parts. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel like y'all can't really see like the hair, like how cute it is. Yes, like it's giving me Diana Ross, baby. Oh, what you know about it? Yes. Like, I'm loving it. Yeah, I like this one. I like this wig right here. I like this wig right here. So yeah, I like this one. The texture is really, really nice. The knots did not bleach, but that's gonna be okay. That's why I don't know why I did the ball cap method, because I need these pins to stick there. Ugh, that's the only problem with this install right now. But other than that, yeah. So let's get into some baby hair. So first, let me just wipe this excess gel off. Hey guys, so I'm back. Sorry, my camera died and I wasn't gonna wait for the battery to change to finish my hair, so I just went ahead and finished it. This is the finished product. It's actually so cute. Let me show y'all that. I like this one. I like this wig. I like the texture of the hair. Like I said, the knots did not bleach, but the lace is actually really pretty good. I like the lace. I put some makeup on it, and those knots ain't bothering me this time, okay? But what I did notice about the hair is the reason the lace probably turned like that maroonish burgundy color is because I feel like the hair itself was a color. So the hair itself is giving off like a tinted shade, like a tinted shade of maroon or burgundy or something. So other than that, yeah, I like this hair. I just went ahead and laid my baby edges or whatever. I didn't wet the hair to see, you know, the cute wave it has, but I can already tell it has a nice wave. I didn't wet it because I like this volume. Like, I like this volume. This is my style. Other than that, yes guys, I like it. I give this wig, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. We'll see how it goes. So far, no shedding. It came in 2 days. It was supposed to come the next day, but I think it was an issue on Amazon part. So other than that, I won't hold that against them. But yeah, like, I like this wig or whatever. So yeah. Yeah, I like this volume, so that's why I didn't wet the hair. I'll probably end up wetting it and then the next install or whatever. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I love you guys for watching. Go make sure you follow me on Instagram, Tanisha Rick. Make sure you guys go shop my lashes at 12blink.com. Also follow that Instagram, 12blink. And I love you guys for watching. Thanks.